very good morning, children, and welcome to computer class once again. Children, we have done and learned about machines and what are the different types of machine. We know computer is a machine, yes. And why it is a machine? Because it runs on electricity. Now we even know computer help us in many different things. Yes, it can do many different things in which it can help us. Now children, in today's class, we will learn about different uses of computer in our daily life. So let's begin our class. And yes children, you have to pay attention, then only you will able to understand. Let's begin the class now. The uses of computer. Number 1. It helps in drawing pictures and making greeting cards. Now what does it mean children? It helps in drawing in the computer. Yes, we can also draw in the computer and we can make greeting cards. What are greeting cards? The cards we can make like birthday cards, anniversary cards. So many different types of cards we have. We can make these cards in the computer with the help of paintbrush. Yes children, we have got paintbrush in the computer and with which we can make drawings, we can color the picture and we can make cards also. Now see what's in the next box. It helps us to store words, pictures, songs, musics in it. That means we can even store, like mummy store things in the boxes. Yes, same way we can store pictures, different photos we can store, songs we can store, even the movies we can keep in the computer. It is inside the computer or in the CD also. Yes, you have got computers everyone at the home. So you all know what are the things we can do in the computer, what are the things we can store in the computer. Yes, so we can store pictures. It can be any picture, your picture, family picture, some event pictures, you can store it. You can store songs and later you can see and listen the songs. You can even store the music, movies, so that we can see movies later on. Now see what is in the third box. It helps us to listen music. Yes children, with the help of computer, we can listen different types of music and we can relax ourselves. Yes, we will store music in the computer, then we can listen to it whenever we have got time and we want to relax ourselves. Now see what is the number 4. It helps in playing games and solving puzzles. This I am sure you all know and you all do this also. You all play games in the computer? Yes, it can be racing car or it can be Sudoku or it can be crossword. There are so many different games. Even you can play cricket. Yes, so we can play different games in the computer. Okay, and yes, we can also solve puzzles in it. Now see next one. It helps us to see movies like Chhota Bheem, Toy Story, Frozen. There are so many different movies we can see in the computer. Yes, you all have seen in the computer? Yes, and very excited now? But yes, calm down. Let's see what is other things we can do and see in the computer. So children, it helps us to see movies also. Next one, it helps us to send and receive messages instantly. That means we can send the message. That means we can send letters to our family who is staying away. And we can receive them also through email, electronic mail. By typing in the computer and sending them, it can go instantly and we can get back the messages also instantly. Okay. Now see what is the next one. It helps us to solve sums, do calculation very fast. We can also solve the sum, but we take little bit of time. But computer is very fast. Okay, it solves the sum very fast and do all the calculation within a second. Okay, like 2 multiplied by 2, 4, you have to think and write. But computer will not think. He will instantly write it down. Now see the next one. We can type stories and poems. You must have seen your daddy or brothers or sisters to do typing in the computer. Yes, you can also type stories and poems through the keyboard, and you can save it and use it later on. Now the last one. It helps us to study different subjects. Yes, children, we can study different things in the computer. Right now also you are seeing this video in the computer, many of you. How? Yes, it has been stored in the computer. Your mummy has done the internet connection and you can see it. You can study subjects like EVS, arithmetic, English and many more. Yes, children, you can study also apart from playing, coloring, listening music, watching movies, do different types of calculations. You can study your lessons also nice. So see children, we have got 9 different uses of computer. So let's do a quick recap of what we have done today. It helps us to draw pictures and make greeting cards. It helps us to store. That means we can save words, pictures, songs, movies, etc. in it. We can also listen to music. We can play games and solve puzzles. We can also see movies. We can send and receive messages instantly. And we can solve the sum and do calculation very easily and fast. We can even type stories and poems. And the last one, we can do our studies also with the help of computer. But you know children, computer can do many things but cannot do all the things. We can think, but computer can think. No, computer cannot think. It works on our command. That means whatever we will say, computer will do according to that. Computer does not have brain, but we have brain. We can take decision in such whether you have to study or you have to play. Now you want to listen to computer or you want to go back to your old subjects. So this is your brain, you can think, but computer cannot think all this. Computer cannot take any decision. You have to give a command to it and then only it will work. So children, try to understand computer can do many things but cannot do all the things. Okay, it is we who can think and give instructions to the computer, and so that according to that it will work. I hope children you have understood the uses of computer and you will read at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.